Yeah, oh, I'm recording this.
Oh shit. Oh shit, dude. Solo's the team.
Oh my
Alright.
Solo.
Fucking Verbal is in like Spectre mode doing Zero.
Grab, oh my god.
Play of the game.
Bombs away.
It wasn't a fluke, dude. Coincidence is they countered it this time because they were reactive. They had turrets and barrels.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
The monster.
Right in the face. Now, yeah, there were some questionable hooks you can do in this game.
Play of the game.
I don't have enough shots.
What? 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 What did I just hook? What? What? What just happened?
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Oh, that's disgusting. Oh!
Retire.
I'm almost.
I killed it.
We'll Lucio ult and just go fucking nuts. Everybody get in this little room,
Alright.
and then we'll Lucio
followed
ult.
by Zen.
Yeah. So everyone get in this room, and once we're okay, now Lucio ult and just go, go.
Yeah, because Bastion doesn't.
Zenyatta.
Oh my god! Absolutely fucking devastating. Holy
That was
that recorded. Oh my god.
That's recorded as well. That was amazing.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Play of the game.
Oh shit.
Oh, they're gonna show it? Oh man.
Nope.
I got the point, boys.